Assalamu alaikum, welcome to this channel, and today I will show you how to install WordPress on Xampp. So first you have to open your browser, and you have to write localhost here. So it will show nothing because first you have to open the Xampp. So it is in my scenario, it is stored in the C, local disk C, and here you can see Xampp. And after scrolling downward, you can see here the Xampp control. So I click here and the control panel comes there. So the Apache and MySQL should be start, and after the we can see our local host here. Like you before that you can't see this, and after the starting of the Apache and MySQL it will enable, and after you have to go there php my admin, and in this you have to first create the database. So the database name is WordPress. So then create this button, and now the WordPress is enabled, and now we go in the privileges section, and we create a user account here. So username, I use my name m dot asd. Okay, so here I use a password, and I retype it here. So after this, click on this go button, and so now our database of WordPress and user account has been established. So now we have to download WordPress from the WordPress website, and you can see here. So I use here download WordPress. So click this button of get WordPress. Okay, so download WordPress, and now it is downloading here. It will take 2 minutes, so we will wait here. So the WordPress zip is downloaded, and we will check our download section. Here it is. So first we have to extract it all. So I put a location for this, and I use the music section and select this folder to extract. Now this zip file is extracting to the music section. Now the extraction process is completed, and it took 4 to 5 minutes to complete. And now you have to select this WordPress file and copy it by pressing Ctrl C, and after that go to the local disk C, and in the Xampp you have to find htdocs. After clicking it, paste here the WordPress files like you see here. All the files in the WordPress folder is now copying in this htdocs. So once this installation or copying process completed, we will move to the our local server, and now we will you have to type local host slash WordPress. After that, it shows this window and continue button like let's go, and here the database name. So the database name is WordPress. Username is my name. It should be capital, and password is here. So I will write it by my own. So submit the run the installation, and the site title is my website. Username is sub.r, and this is the password, and install WordPress. Now I click on this button, and after that you must provide an email. Oh, so we have to provide an email also. So here I put my email, and after that I put the install WordPress button. Okay, so this is done now, and I press login here, and this shows me this, and yeah, so the process is complete now, and you can see that my WordPress website is here in my local host, and what changes I made here, I can see it in my machine, and it will be helpful for me, and also the developers who use it. So what changes you made here, you will see it here. So this is done now, and hopefully you will understand these steps, and uh, hopefully you will learn about how to install WordPress on your Xampp on Windows. So uh, allow me to go now, and Allah Hafiz.